Okay, there she is. She's not tamed yet. I will have to try to tame her. This is a little girl. She's a full-grown girl, so she's got like, you can tell that she's a girl because she's got like a brown beak. So on top of her beak is brown, so you can tell that she's a girl. And the boy's got like a blue beak. See on top, you can see that it's blue. Hello. Hello, Creamy. This is Creamy. And this is Creamy's little girlfriend. Trying to bleed. She's still scared. I just brought her yesterday, so she's a bit scared. Okay, where is she? So I'm gonna have to tame her. She's not tamed yet, she's still wild. Okay, look at her. Hello, don't be afraid. I love you.